Hey everyone, I will show you how to measure electrospun fiber diameters from SEM images using ImageJ. First open your SEM image in ImageJ, then set the scale. Zoom in on the scale bar. Select the straight line tool and draw a line exactly along the scale bar length. Then go to Analyze, set the scale. The distance in pixels should autofill. In known distance, type the scale bar value and set the unit to micrometer or nanometer, depending on your SEM. Now measure fiber diameter using the straight line tool. Straight across the fiber width, edge to edge. After, you can press M or go to Analyze and click on Measure. In this case, 921 nanometer, below the scale bar. So repeat this process across the image. Fibers from different regions. As far as possible, avoid measuring near crossings. You can export your results in your computer in CSV file. I will check another image from an article that the diameters are already annotated. So we want to make sure that they are correct. Set the scale. Measure perpendicular diameters. You can see the result is significantly different from what is annotated on the image. Let's try another fiber. Maybe we are wrong. The differences are so high. Even by visual inspection, considering the 100 micron scale bar, these sizes cannot be around 1 micron. Yeah, it really looks like a 10 micron. So it seems problematic. Let's try the final image. Yeah, that's a good estimation. You can also assess another region. By clicking backspace, line remained. So that's it. Thanks for watching.